How to fix no speaker or headphone plugged in, problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, open Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video and Game Controller. Right-click your audio device and click on Properties. Open Driver tab. Click on Uninstall Device. Now click on Scan for hardware changes. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Press Enter. Press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Select your audio device and click on Properties. If it was disabled, just enabled it. Open Advanced tab. Change the bit rate to CD or DVD until you start hearing sound. Press Apply and then OK. Hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching.